Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So your devices start to slow down because of three reasons. First reason is because you have enough more than 30% of free storage. Second aspect is because you have no RAM, and third aspect is because you have a lot of harmful files on your device. So firstly, let's open the settings, then scroll down and find storage here. As you can see, I have used only 19% of my storage, but if you will fill up your storage over than 70%, so it means that your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you to not fill your storage over than 70%. Okay, the second aspect is our RAM. So as you can see, here I have only 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM on my device, and as you can see, if I will try to find RAM extension, RAM size, I have only 4 gigabytes, and as you can see, I can't extend the RAM size on my device because RAM size on the Lenovo devices is not extensible. So we can't extend the RAM using our normal storage, and it means that the one way to improve our RAM is to close all using apps during the day. So if you have using, for example, if you're using Facebook right now, so use it, then when you will stop use it, so just close it and delete it from the RAM storage to have the free space in the RAM, because the RAM is the temporary memory, and in this memory all processes are running. So all running apps are running in RAM, all running processes, the processor is running in RAM too. So here again, the winner one who invests in a device with a more temporary storage. But if you have only 4 gigabytes of RAM, so just clean your RAM several times during the day. And the third aspect is the harmful files. So just find Files application, click Continue, click Clean, and here you will see Junk Files and Clean button. Click Clean, Clear, and as you can see, I have cleaned 93 megabytes of junk files. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.